I am in the bank in the 5 p.m. I am not enter because the bank is not enter me. Please give the English me of anything. Thank you so much. Break me.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
I am in money and I am give off tomorrow. In Philippines in Philippines I am in nighttime. I am money in 20,000 in the Philippines. We are 5 p.m. in the Philippines. No, tomorrow I am give off money and I am give off money in I am give off the bank in the morning. Morning, yes. Salamat kayo.
Pwede mo yung bahinan po niya?
Ha? Ayan. No. Bakit mo sa camera? We're from Pinoy Rab YouTube channel.
Sige, upload. Ano i-upload?
Sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. Ayan, so, say hi.
I am love you.
I am love you.
I love you.
I'm love you.
Lacuna!
There you have it, guys. So, you're dancers mo sa ano? Ayan.
I am Kyle, please.
Ayan, thank you so much. Bye. Hi, babe. Hello, babe. I'm MacArthur. Hi, babe. I'm MacArthur in here in Philippines. Hello. Yes. Yes, here. I'm a MacArthur here in the Philippines. No, I am in the Philippines in the park. In the Philippines in the park. I am in Philippines. We are 6 p.m. We are 6 p.m. in the Philippines, and I am parked here. I am parked here. Yes. No, because tomorrow I am in the bank tomorrow, and I am give off money in the tomorrow. No. I am in the bank, and I am in the bank in the 5 p.m. and I am in the bank. I am not enter of the bank because in the bank I can't enter. I can't enter in the bank, and I am not the money I am give up tomorrow in 20,000. Yes. Yes, I'm parked for MacArthur, and I am give up money of tomorrow I am give off the money in the 20,000. I am part. Yes. Excuse me, ma'am. Saan yung oras, ma'am? 6? No, I am give off the money in tomorrow. We are in the Philippines. We are 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6:13. No, I am give off tomorrow if the of the 20,000. No, I'm care you. I'm love you so much. I'm love you so much. I'm care you. No, please. Please, I am give up money tomorrow. I am in the bank in the 5 p.m. I am not enter because the bank is not enter me. And the bank is not enter me, and we are in Philippines 6 p.m. No, please. No, I'm love you so much. I'm love you so much. Unsa gani kuan na ma'am kanang please taasi sa imong pasensya ini na ma'am. Ja, sa to ma'am. No, you No, you're wait me. You wait me. Patient. Yes, patient. Yes, patient me. I'm love you so much. I'm give up money tomorrow. I am money 20,000 and I'm give up tomorrow on 20,000 and I'm love you. I'm in the bank. Yes. Please. Sige ka nang ayaw sa pakigulag, ma'am. Kanang sige nang English sa dili makigbulag, ma'am. Wait me. Wait me. Wait. Break me. No, ano to, ma'am? Break ito, ma'am. Break me. Please, break me. No. I'm give money tomorrow. I'm love you so much. Yes. Babe, I'm love you so much. I'm give money. Break me. Please break. Don't. Yes. Don't me. Okay? Oh, sige na ma'am nga kanang ipadala lang nako ugma ang kwarta.
I send money tomorrow.
I'm give you the money tomorrow. No, I'm not girlfriend here. I'm in Philippines. I am in France. I am in France in the park. I am you know English me. I'm not talk of the English and I'm tell them please give the English me of anything. Kanang kuan kanang salamat kay sa tanan pero love kayo. Wait me. Thank you so much. Break me. No. No, mura man siya makigbulag, ma'am.
Kasi bago ako istorya.
Igna lang mambing nga kanang tiga abinyag na ko'y girlfriend din kay nado babae daw kay istorya. Ano ko nga? Kasi itong naman kanang wala man ko nang uyab. Sige na. Wala man ko nang uyab. am asked for sisters here in the Philippines. Okay? Please break me. No. Okay, I'm talk of tomorrow. I'm talk of tomorrow. Yes. You are asleep now. You are 3 a.m. You are 3 a.m. You are asleep now. Okay? I'm talk you tomorrow. Okay. Ma'am, salamat kay mama. At least kuan ko gamay wag. Gakabikil sa tong word nga dito, ma'am. Break, ma'am. Break me. Lisod kayo nga di ko magsaba siya sa akong sitwasyon diri. Lisod po kayo nga di ko magsaba nga na prank bitaw mo, ma'am. Dapat may camera, ma'am. Pwede ba ta-hide yes camera, ma'am? Hide camera. Ayan. So, asa mo nga, asa mo gikan na ano? Gikan pa mo nagtrabaho or... Ayan, gikan sila nag-duty. Ayan, guys. So, they're from what company, ma'am? Be Well. Ayan. So, shoutout sa Be Well. Woohoo! Ayan. There they have it, guys. So, we're from Pinoy Rap YouTube channel. Kira ma, nakabantay na kami wala pa, ma'am.
Nakabantay, nag-chat ko sa mong GC prank me.
Pero si ma'am, seryoso kasi ma'am nagtundo. Seryoso kasi ma'am nagtundo. Ano sa'yo mag-imagine mo?
Ako may nakulbaan sa ko eh. Nara, nag-chat na siya nga.
Yeah.
Unsa, prank.
O, nag-chat ka sila guys sa nag-group. Prank.
Siya dahil prank. Balugid ni siya mo English.
Ayan.
Siya niya.
Ayan, so.
Siya prank me. Siya kasi prank.
Prank me, na prank me. Ayan, sobra pa kayo sila sa gets, pero kapag ka-gets na siya nga prank. Ayan, so from Bewell. Bewell C? Bewell C, yehey! Cagayan de Oro City. Ayan, so shoutout. May shoutout po, ma'am. Shoutout.
Shout out sa kong kuhan, Cheres. Special someone.
Yay! Special someone, ayan. About kay ma'am.
Shout out di ay sa taga Bukidnon.
Yan.
Mga igsuon. Thank you.
Ayan, so habang kay ma'am.
Shout out din sa mga sa taga Quezon din ako mga kaparentiyan na igagaw. Ayan. Hello.
Maraming nanami sa TV. Wala na. Habang kay ma'am. Ayan.
Shout out sa taga Initaw.
So, ayan. So, pwede ba natin ingon, ma'am, nga na-pranking tanan. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go!
Na-pranking tanan! I am Pinoy Rap!
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.